Sanders. Come in here with me. I'm going to show you how to light a Bunsen burner safely. Hello, it's me, your friend Rick Sanders, and for this experiment you're going to need matches, a safety mat, a Bunsen burner with a rubber tube, and a gas tap like this one. First thing you want to do is place down your safety mat and put your Bunsen burner onto your mat. Then for safety reasons, check your rubber tube for any holes. Once it's confirmed there are no holes, safely put your tube into your gas tap. Then you need to get your assistant and slowly hover the match over the Bunsen burner while making sure the holes are closed. Once your match has been lit, then you need to hold it above the Bunsen burner and carefully turn on your gas tap. Now this here is called the safety flame because you can see it very easily, but if you carefully move this across so you can see the holes, it turns to a blue flame, which is dangerously hot. Now it's time to talk about safety. Now if your hair is below your shoulder length, be sure to tie it up because you don't want your hair to set on fire. When you are done with your Bunsen burner, be sure to switch it to safety flame and turn off your gas tap. And carefully take the rubber tube off of the gas tap. After that, put all your equipment back where you found it. Now thank you for joining me on my journey with Bunsen burners. Now we are all safe.
Boy, you're right, mate.
No.
Video's done.